guys, it's Michael from Hardcore Asians, and today I'll be showing you how to create an intro for your YouTube video. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up your internet browser. Then you want to search up Panzoid, P-A-N-Z-O-I-D. I'll leave it in the link in the description too. Then you want to click on the first option, and then you'll be brought to the screen with a bunch of intro templates. What you want to do is you want to scroll down to more creations, and then you'll be brought to even more intros. So up here, you can click on any intro you want. But I'm going to search up lo-fi intros because I like lo-fi stuff. Then I'll choose this one that says Fion. And then you can customize anything in this intro. You can customize the text, the music, the resolution, the FPS you want. So yeah, I'm gonna change the frame rate. I'm also gonna change the text, obviously. So instead of Fion, I'm gonna do it Hardcore Asians. And in the font, I'm not going to do bloody because that's going to be disgusting. I'm going to do aromatics. I'm also going to change the other font. I'm just going to delete it. And then, yeah, so you have that, and that's pretty nice already. So if you can keep it as that, and I'm probably going to do that because that's pretty simple. You can also preview what the intro is going to look like by pressing toggle playback over here. Yeah, the music's kind of loud, so yeah. So once you figured out that out, you can go down to here and you can press download your video. Here, when you render your video, I think you should do good quality because there's not much of a difference between good quality and extreme quality. And extreme quality is just gonna make your render time much slower than good quality. So yeah, and I would do also MKV, not WebM, because WebM isn't as good as MKV. It's much slower and it's just not easier to find. So once you find everything, you want to do start video render and then click on that. This might take 5 to 10 minutes, so just wait as long as you can. Once your video has downloaded, you're rendered, you'll be prompted to this. Just click download your video and this will take a couple of seconds. And then it should pop up here. Yeah, so perfect. So now, once you have everything collected, it should be here and everything's done. Yeah, so everything's good to go, so you can add it to any of your videos if you want. It's really simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.